We are Theostratus.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I won't be talking about makeup, food, or any event. Instead, I'll be focusing on my friend's band, and that is the Theostratus. The group started in 2010 and were then called Project J, a small group of enthusiastic musicians and singers from ages 15 to 16 with a passion to write songs for the Lord. They started as worship team trainees and later were given the opportunity by God to be the junior music team of their church. Fast forward to today, the passion to write songs is still there and more. They have now a vision to connect people to God through music. Their goal is to write songs that are not churchy but still convey the good news, so that they would be able to reach out to non-believers and nominal Christians.
Ang lahat ng bagay ay may hangganan, kaluwalhatian mo ang sandalan. Dinggin mo ang aming bawat laban, hindi pababayaan. Ang lahat ng bagay ay may hangganan, kaluwalhatian mo ang sandalan. Dinggin mo ang aming bawat laban. Ikaw lang Diyos ang kakapitan. Diyos ikaw, wala kang katulad. Diyos ikaw, pasasalamatan sa kadahilan mo. Sa'yo ang lahat ng papuri, Diyos, sa'yo. Sa pagsikat ng araw at sa paglubog nito, sasambahin ka.
With the guidance and help from their church's music director, they have now grown bigger and changed their group name to Theostratus, which roughly means God's Soldiers. Their first album, entitled No Hesitation, was launched last October 27, 2019. They are currently making their second album, The Journey Continues, for God's glory.
The world seems dark and broken, but your love has already spoken. There's more to life than this world. Give up your throne just to give us another chance with you, 'cause you love us. How amazing is your grace, Jesus. And I offer my life in surrender, 'cause I wanna be with you forever. There's nothing more greater. Lead me back home where your love overflows. There's no place that I would rather go. When I'm with you, there's nothing I can do but bow my head and worship for you. When I don't more, there's even more to adore. And I have more than this life to be worshiping you, Jesus.
Guys, if you like this video, don't forget forget to hit the like button, and if you want to show your support to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button below and tap on the notification bell. And if you also want to support Theo Stratus, kindly visit their channel as well, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about their songs, please do reach them out in Facebook, or you can also leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much, lovies. Have a great day. Take care, lovies.
Lead me back home where your love overflows. There's no place that I would rather go. When I'm with you, there's nothing I can do but bow my head in worship for you. Then I know more, there's even more to adore, and I have more than this life to be worshiping you, Jesus.